క్యాన్సర్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించిన ఇస్కాన్ జేఎన్టీయు
Sorry, it was delayed. I had some visitors. I was unable to.
Side. Madam.
Very good.
At all the streams, we need to know the spirituality level, because being a spiritual being will control our emotions, our thoughts, and that is needed in these days, so that heinous crimes, not only cancer, there are very heinous crimes occurring in the entire country, in the entire world, so these all can be stopped. So
Thank you.
I am MD Aisha Roshni from MRC. So actually it is all about cancer, which I wasn't aware of. But the moment I had entered into it, I am very thankful for ISKCON. Actually, thank you is actually a 8 letters word which doesn't go in front of everyone. But I would definitely gladly say that I am very thankful for this opportunity that ISKCON had provided. Like, youth is getting an opportunity to explore the things and know the things and inspire the things. So I am very thankful for them. Thank you.
my name is Sana Nisar. I'm the student of JNTU University over here. I'm studying in MTech first year. I've taken participate in the initiative taken by ISKCON, which is such a great initiative, Kill the Cancer, and I got the second position in it. So, killing the cancer, before Kill the Cancer initiative, we need to know what is a cancer. Cancer is a deadly disease which is caused by series of defects in cells mechanism, and there are trillions of cells in the body, and only one cell is responsible for cancer. It is a very deadly disease and only one cell is responsible. Why is it so? We need to look the case at an atomic level. What is the atomic level? See, any action is responsible, any behavior is responsible of action, and behavior is driven by a thought. So thought is a motivation factor or a driving factor behind any behavior. So we need to look why is a thought changing, why we are going from irresponsible thought, why we are going from a responsible thought to an irresponsible thought. We need to change that, and we need to look to our scriptures. So in collaboration with ISKCON, I would like the comparative study of all the divine scriptures such as Bhagavad Gita, Vedas, Quran and Bible to be introduced into
7% వరకు క్యాన్సర్ అయితే హెరిడిటరీ ఉంది. అదైతే 93% వరకు క్యాన్సర్ ఈజ్ జస్ట్ డ్యూ టు ద రాంగ్ హ్యాబిట్స్, the wrong choices and wrong habits, and up to 50% of the cancers are preventable. Last year we have spent $43 million for cancer treatment. So in that amount, whole world's poverty will be over if that is saved. So enta kharchu avutundi meer chudandi anukondi. And this is preventable. The major 3 reasons are alcohol, tobacco and fast food. ఇది మానేస్తే ప్రతిరోజు కొంచెం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తే అందరికీ బాగానే అవుతుంది. Right? So this is what we have done with the Government of Telangana, Ministry of Education, State and Governor of Telangana, Srimati Dr. Samit Sai Sundarajan garu వచ్చి ప్రైజెస్ ఇచ్చాడు, అందరికీ ఎంకరేజ్ చేశాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. హరే కృష్ణ.